Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Ebtesam Kotkat and I'm talking to you today from Albira Clinic. I'm a Chinese medicine doctor. I have a master's degree in traditional Chinese medicine and bachelor in the science of nutrition, the Chinese nutrition and herbologist. Today I would like to talk to you about traditional Chinese medicine, which is now, I think a lot of people heard about it as a way, let's say, to complement the Western medicine. I'd like always to call it complementary medicine. In some cases it can be the only medicine, this in case the person is not sick, but it's complementing other medicine in case of any special disease like diabetes or cancer or whatever. What is the idea of Chinese medicine? Chinese medicine is a very old medicine, was used years and years ago and now is spread all over the world. It treats the body as a whole. It looks at the body as body, organs, emotions, plus energy, which we call it the qi. According to the Chinese medicine, the body is split, divided into organs and meridians. What are those meridians? We can call them like canals, or a way to connect between those organs together where our energy runs. Usually the person is born with a certain balance. When we are kids, we run, we play, we eat. When we are hungry, we sleep. Then with the time, with the emotions, with the life stress, maybe the weather, the way we eat, which is very important, all this start changing our balance and start putting us out of balance. And this is when we start having different kind of signs and symptoms. Maybe at the very beginning the body will just call for help. It will say, oh, I can't sleep, I'm always tired, I'm fatigued, I'm dizzy, I have pain here, I have pain there, I'm constipated, I have diarrhea, I'm bloated, I have headache, I have migraines. Those are all signs and symptoms indicating that there is a certain imbalance starting in the body. If the person can listen to his body right away and go and check what's going on with someone like me, or just like natural medicine doctor, maybe at this point they can catch up with what's wrong with the body, and maybe with a new way of living, changing the diet, changing the way of living, maybe not exercising, so adding exercising, or to unwind the body, to reduce the stress, plus the acupuncture. Maybe this will correct the system. Otherwise, sometimes when the person does not catch all those signs and symptoms in the right time, they end by being big disease. How does it work? There are so many methods to apply the traditional Chinese medicine. One of those are acupuncture, which is actually putting a needle in the body, and the acupuncture is one of the very successful ways to stop pain, especially. Because once we insert the needle in the body, it creates a natural morphine in the body, a chemical called endorphin, which helps right away to calm the body or to calm the pain. So the pain is one of the very important things. The acupuncture works with them. We have another message which is with herbs. We give like formulas, and this is a cooking herb that the person can drink the tea. It's not very well known yet in UAE, but in general in other part of the world we can practice more herbology. Nutrition is another very, very important method to support the traditional Chinese medicine, because once we start treating the person with the acupuncture to correct the imbalance and adding the right advices for nutrition, most of the time the person can get very good results. I mean, I can say that traditional Chinese medicine is successful in many, many cases, but as I told you, pain is very important one. Headache, colitis, colon problem, bloating, stomach aches, all those kind of stuff. But even with blood circulation, with fatigue, with insomnia, constipation, diarrhea, many things. So infertility, even to treat the side effects sometimes of very strong medication that we have to take them certain times, like chemotherapy with cancer or other disease. So I hope to see you.